Hi, I'm James from Smokin' Dad BBQ, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your new Kamado Joe. So let's get started.
All right, so first thing we're going to do is just start by removing all the packing materials and setting them aside and giving ourselves a little bit of a garbage spot. We can put everything that we're not going to need away. Kamado Joe does a great job packing everything inside the grill really secure so that it won't break during shipping. I like to just take everything out and set it aside so that it's easy to start finding the parts that you're looking for. One of the first things I'm going to do here is get the cart out of the box and remove the wheels and begin the assembly of the cart. The cart will come with 2 locking casters and 2 rolling casters. So you want to see where the logo is on your cart and put those wheels on the front position so it's easy to lock or unlock it depending on where you want to move it around your backyard. Once you've got that done, you're going to phone a friend and be able to help lift your grill into place. And as you can see, I did the 2-for-1 special here with my neighbor. Now it's time to assemble our firebox, and you're going to start by putting the main components together. And I've cheated here and used a little bit of paper towel. That'll just help set the ring into place, and they'll burn up the first time that we do a fire. Once that's all together, you can put your charcoal basket in, the divide and conquer system, grill grates, etc. And we're getting ready to do our first burn. Gone and added a little bit of charcoal, big block charcoal, and lit everything up to temperature. I'm gonna let the grill warm up to about 300 degrees before I sort of just set it and forget it and let it burn for about 3 hours.